Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician's channel. And today we're actually going to go into these remote outlet switches. If you guys watched my previous video on my shop lights that I'm going to be installing, I'm going to be controlling them with an outlet from this pack, as well as my other shop lights and my fans, and they're all going to be on separate outlets. So this comes with 5 of the actual outlets that you plug into the wall and 2 remotes. Each remote has a number 1 through 5 to control each one of these. So in the box it's empty. 5 outlets, 2 remotes. The information on here in case you would like to know. Max power 1200 watts, max current 10 amps. And this actually does come with the batteries for the remote. They are 23A batteries, which is a little bit different than not your standard battery. So inside the pack you're going to get your human centipede of outlets and your 2 remotes, your batteries, and your instructions and stuff. So it's pretty simple. They actually are supposed to come pre-linked, so when turning on 1, these are actually numbered. The last number 1, the next one 2, the next one 3, 4, and 5. But you can change it up by this button on the side here. When you're plugged in, you simply hold in on the button until it blinks, and then you pick the number you want it to be. But I'll just leave it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then another great thing is you can actually plug in a power strip to these. So if you want to control multiple things off of one, you can do that. Or if you link this is number 1 and this is number 1 and they're in 2 separate areas, when you hit 1, both of these will turn on. So that's pretty nice, pretty handy. So that's kind of a cool feature. And then to reset it, I believe you hold the button until it flashes, you unplug it, something along that line. I'm not going to be doing that, so I'm not worried about it. It's already programmed, or should be, and we're about to test that out. So the light that I actually have sitting over here that's lighting this area, I'm going to run to number 1, and we're going to see how well this works. It's just got a plastic cap, and this is the upgraded model. This is ETEKCITY or ETEKCITY, I don't know, ETEKCITY. This ran me around $30. The old version runs around $25, but it does have a bigger plastic ring around here, and the issue was it was bigger, so when you plugged it into the outlet, you actually had a hard time plugging anything else in the outlet because this obstructed the bottom one. So the new upgraded or updated one, same exact specs, just a better housing so you can use the bottom outlet. And that's basically it, but we're gonna go ahead and plug this in now. So it's gonna get a little bit darker because I'm gonna unplug the light. I'm gonna go ahead and plug this outlet in, plug it into the outlet, and we're just going to simply press 1. And there we go. Turns on the light, and if I remember correctly, I think it's a 100-foot range on these. There's a lot of different brands out there with different ranges and everything. This was, I believe, the best seller, the best reviews, and it is, where's the part number, 5LXS. The S is the updated one. So then you can simply shut it off, turn it on. If I had something on 2, turn it on. So pretty handy. This is what I'm going to run my shop lights off of, so I'll have more information on these as well as my shop lights and the garage work that I'm going to be doing. So I thought this was a really cool alternative rather than running a new switch to my garage door opener outlet. This saves time, and I can run my shop fan and my other shop lights, anything in the house off of this. So it's really great. These ones are not made for outdoor, but they do have the outdoor ones as well. Like I said, this ran around $30, and I will have this link down in the description. I'll probably have it under maybe garage items. I'll start a new list. Otherwise, it'll be under tools I suggest or you'll figure it out. I'll leave you some information down in the description so you guys can find it easily on Amazon. Really good price for this 5-port setup. So really good reaction. And I'm gonna stand on the other side of the garage and try it, and we'll see how it does. So it seems to work just fine. I'm pretty happy with this. We'll see when I get to the garage and get everything plugged in. We'll see how everything operates, and I really hope you guys found this informative. Also, the shop lights that I picked up were from Menards. I'll try and find them online and link them if you guys are interested, but this will definitely be down there, and I'll let you guys know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.